Okay, today we are going to learn the 7-count riff. If you haven't learned the 6-count riff yet, make sure to check out that video because it will give you a head start on the 7-count riff. Here we go. Okay, the 7-count riff starts out just like the 6-count riff, but then there's a little variation at the end. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this is going to be a little different than the 6-count. We start with a heel drop on the back foot, 6, and then a heel drop on the front foot, 7. So again, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's a little different from the 6-count because in the 6-count you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you drop that front heel. But with the 7-count riff, you drop the back heel first before dropping the front heel. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On the other side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the counts for the 7-count riff are going to be and 1, E, and 2. On the right side we have and 1, E, and 2. Okay, so just like the other riffs we've learned in this series, we can move this one as well. We have 5E and 6E and 7E and 8E and 1E and 2 and 3E and 4 and 5E and 6 and 7E and 8. And to the back, 5E and 6E and 7E and 8E and 1E and 2 and 3E and 4 and 5E and 6 and 7E and 8. And to the side, 5E and 6E and 7E and 8E and 1E and 2 and 3E and 4 and 5E and 6 and 7E and 8. One more time, a little bit faster. 5E and 6E and 7E and 8E and 1E and 2 and 3E and 4 and 5E and 6 and 7E and 8. Nice job, you guys. Next time we are going to do a riff turn, so stay tuned.